Okay, we're at the field on this very calm afternoon. This is the first flight since that nose gear has been replaced. So this plane has a new nose gear in it. That last time it was out, it was crash landed with a nose gear not coming down. There it goes. Gears are up. Oh, go for it. Okay, I'm gonna come back over. Going for a loop. Ready now. Okay, I'm gonna come back in. Okay, I reversed it. Turning into the field. Slowing down. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go for a loop on this pass. Actually, no, I didn't go fast enough. I didn't have enough speed to go for a loop. Hold on. I'm gonna come back and go for a loop. Going now. That was a real quick short loop. Okay, we'll go down, diving. Come back low over the field. Nice high alpha. Okay, let's get out of that. Okay, I'm gonna set up to land.
Okay, yeah, my battery's dead.
Okay, all right. I'm gonna set up to land from the right. I don't know if you can stay up or not, but.
Yeah, I think I can probably just
Gears are going down. Whoa. Whoa. Nice. Nice. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Good flight.